International Read to Me Day was created by All the Wonders, an online platform for teachers and authors to help children discover the joy of reading. The date for International Read to Me Day was chosen to commemorate the birthday of Dr. Seuss. It is a day where parents and educators are encouraged to spend quality time with their children and students and create a family or classroom ritual of reading out loud together. The first International Read to Me Day celebration was held on March 19, 2018, in response to the overwhelming data from literacy research which indicated that only 40% of children are proficient readers by fourth grade. The mission of International Read to Me Day is simple: to make reading out loud part of families' habits. Because more than ever, reading out loud is deemed an essential part of children's reading development. Reading out loud with children is especially important for the development of young children's imagination, language and social skills, as well as a sense of self-confidence. It also develops an early understanding of the importance of literacy and the power of language. For International Read to Me Day, All the Wonders encourages families, schools, and organizations to read to you or read to each other. Families, friends, classmates, and colleagues can all come together and share stories around the globe. There are many benefits to reading together on International Read to Me Day. Not only does it provide valuable time with family and friends, but it is an activity that can bring people of all ages and backgrounds together. Reading aloud also increases children's understanding of the written language, and adults can use the day as an opportunity to share their favorite books with the younger generations. Celebrating International Read to Me Day is a great way to promote literacy and foster love of reading. Reading to children gives them the opportunity to expand their knowledge and vocabulary, as well as entertainment that would otherwise not be as accessible. Additionally, children can benefit from the emotion and storytelling that is embedded in a read-aloud experience. To celebrate International Read to Me Day, parents, teachers, and others can participate by grabbing a book and reading out loud to children or adults who are not accustomed to reading aloud. If hosting a party at home or school, consider making a reading scene for the party. Choose a few books to read and create fun activities to go along with them, such as puzzles or crafts inspired by the stories. One of the most effective ways to celebrate International Read to Me Day is by reaching out to family, friends, and colleagues who live far away and having a virtual read aloud. Everyone who joins the online gathering can either grab a copy of the same book or pick a favorite book of their own to read. The story of how International Read to Me Day came to be is a touching one. In 2018, All the Wonders was approached by a mother who was devastated a class that her son attended had cancelled their reading sections due to a budget cut. She was passionate about having her son engage in literacy activities, and All the Wonders was inspired to create International Read to Me Day. International Read to Me Day is a special day when people everywhere celebrate the joy of reading. Regardless of age, everyone can come together and embrace the power of literacy while having fun and creating memories in the process. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Read to Me Day. Cheers!